This last demo is for the people who approve the purchase: IT, finance, legal. Everything in this video lives under settings: sending domains, Microsoft 365, billing, API keys, webhooks, and the audit surfaces. 5 minutes of setup, then it runs itself. Custom domain setup: you add the DNS records we generate, SPF, DKIM, and a CNAME. The platform verifies them, and from then on, every campaign sends from your domain with your authentication. Why it matters: deliverability follows domain reputation. Sending as yourself, properly authenticated, is the single biggest inbox placement lever you control. If your company runs on Microsoft 365, connect it here. Campaigns can send as your real mailboxes through Microsoft Graph, so replies land in the inbox your sales team already watches. The integration uses Entra ID with admin consent, the same way your other Microsoft apps connect. No password stored, no IMAP workarounds. Billing is self-serve Stripe. Start free with one user, upgrade when the team grows, see exactly what you pay for on this screen. No annual contract required to start, no procurement dance for a pilot. Swipe a card, run a real campaign this afternoon. Every significant action in the workspace lands in the audit log. Who changed the branding? Who sent the campaign? Who exported data with timestamps and before and after values? Pair that with the consent ledger export, and your compliance story is 2 CSVs away at any moment. SOC style evidence without a special project. That's the full tour. Branded workspace, compliant audiences, campaigns in minutes, forms that grow the list, intelligence that watches the market, and production controls your IT team will sign off on. Start free at marketing.simpleintelligence.io. One user, no card, real features. When it earns a second seat, you'll know.